Okay, so dear friends, welcome back to the second session of our online. So let's talk in English. And just we were practicing about the double comparison, the more and means double comparative degrees, cause and effect. Okay, I think Sheikh Akhtar has completed his 5 sentences. Have you completed your 5 sentences?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
so now Rajkumar Jaiswal.
So may I start?
Yeah, you can start. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So first sentence is the more you think positively, the more you will get intellectual. Second is the more you study, the more you will be knowledgeable. And third one is the more you stay alone, you will get away from COVID. Fourth one is the more you honest, the more you will be reliable. And last one is the more you visit, the more you get the knowledge of different cultures.
Yeah, that's good. So now Rajkumar Jaiswal. Hello. Are you available, Rajkumar Jaiswal here? Okay,
Hello.
now then Papia Tripura be ready.
I am also ready, sir.
Okay, then be ready. Okay, Zoom user. Yeah.
Yeah.
So my first sentence is the more you will work to achieve anything, the more easier it would be.
The more you speak,
You will generous to others,
English,
the more you will get. The more you will work on yourself, the more better you will be. The more you will focus on your goal, the more earlier you will reach. Yeah, that's also.
Okay. Yeah, next Zoom user. Very nice, Papia. Yeah, Zoom user.
Sir, I am Shanta. Can I give two more examples?
Yeah, madam. Okay, so actually he was excited. He was telling
Yes,
me
sir.
he wants to say. Then Zoom user Srivani, then you can make this all sentences. Then that's all for double comparison. Then okay. Yeah, Zoom user, are you ready now? No, he's not ready now. Okay,
Sir, I would
Srivani.
like to try.
Okay, Srivani, then Anup Delhi, then Shanta madam will explain this whole thing. Yeah. Srivani. Hello, Srivani. No. Anup Delhi then.
Okay, sir. The more easy life you live now, the more difficulty you will face later. The more participants join us, the more friends we will make. The more healthier food we eat, the more energetic we will feel. The more milk we drink, the strongest bone we get. And the fifth one is the more costly clothes we wear, the more attractive we look.
That's good. That's good. Okay. So now, yeah, Shanta madam.
I will give only 3 examples, sir.
Yeah.
The more you eat, the more you become fat. The more you pamper, the more you get problems. The less you earn, the more you will be happy.
So we also can say the more you eat, the fatter you will be. The more you eat, the fatter you will be. We can also make like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, one more thing.
Sir, am I?
Yeah, definitely. Bhagyasri, you will get chance, but let her finish. Shanta madam is speaking, so let her finish first.
I want to ask our participants, all of our participants, to see the web series that is Mind Your Language, sir. It was telecast in British channel in the year 1977. But with this is a very comedy and funny web series, but very useful to learn English, sir. Spoken English we can learn very well from
Which
this
web
web
series?
series. The Mind Your Language,
Ma'am,
Mind
where
Your
can we get
Language,
this?
YouTube, sir,
Okay, ma'am.
from YouTube. I am watching, sir. It is very useful. That's why I'm
Okay.
speaking in this platform.
So thank you very much for sharing.
Definitely, I will.
Can you repeat the name of this movie?
Not movie, web series.
Yeah, yeah. What was
Mind
the
your
name?
mind your language.
Mind Your Language. Okay.
Okay, so that's all. Okay,
Okay,
now,
sir. Okay, thank you
yeah.
very much, sir.
Bhagyashree.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, would you like
Am
to
I
make?
audible?
Yeah.
Yes. My first sentence is, the more you speak other people, you will get social. The more you eat vegetable, you will get healthy. The more you practice, you will get perfect.
Okay.
The
So,
more you think, you
yeah.
will get confused.
Okay. So Bhagyashree, we want double comparison. You are using only first time the or comparison. We want cause and effect both. Okay. The more you practice, the better you
Okay.
can perform. Okay. The more you practice, the better you can perform.
Okay.
The
We changed
faster
the
you
structure.
walk,
Okay.
the faster you walk, the earlier you can reach. Okay. Okay. So please try to make your sentences again.
Okay.
Now, Srivani. Let's go to Srivani.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all again.
Yeah, Srivani, turn on your audio first. Turn on your mic, then you can speak. Okay, what happened again with her, Srivani? Yeah. Hello,
Sir, I was
Srivani.
disconnected. There was some internet problem.
Okay, now I can hear you. I can see you. Now you can speak.
Okay, sir. The more you believe in others, the more believable you would be. The more you develop high self-esteem, the more confident you will become. The more you practice English, the more you would be fluent.
Yeah. Okay, again, there is a problem with Srivani's network. That's why, okay. And yeah, let's listen one or two more speakers. Then we will have a conversation, okay? Alok Jaina.
May I, sir?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. More diet, you will get better fitness. More expectations, you will get feel painful. And the more practice your English, you will get more fluency in your English.
Okay, so we all need more practice about this topic.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
I have been observing all are suffering from making sentences. Okay, yeah. Now Kinjal, Gujarat.
Yes, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. The more you earn money, the better facilities you will get. The more you do hard work, the better job you will get. The more you do worship of God, the better vibes you will get. The more you read, the better you will get knowledge. The more you do hard work, the faster you will achieve your goal. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay, but this is better, the harder you work, the better you will get.
Okay,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes.
So that's a better structure. Okay. So now anybody wants to make sentence, then we will start our conversation, personal conversation. Anybody wants to make sentences now? Yeah,
May I,
Geeta madam.
sir?
Yeah, Geeta madam.
My first sentence. The more you work, the more healthier you will be. Second, the more work you do, the more success you will get. Third, the more you give, the more you will get. Fourth, the more you pray, the more blessing you will get. Five, the more you wet in rain, the more chance to get fever. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, before
May I,
starting our
sir?
conversation, yeah, sorry.
May I, sir?
Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
So before starting our personal conversation, I want to share something. Okay. Yesterday I got a call from Tamil Nadu. She's also teacher and she has been watching our programs every day, but she's not coming on our platform. Okay. And she knows everybody. She called me and she knows everybody. Personally, she has told me to say thank you to Shanta madam. Her explanation I like go a lot. Then she also told me about the Papia Tripura. She's also your regular speaker on this platform from Tripura. She is very open-minded and confident girl. And she was also telling me about Geeta madam. She can be the inspiration for all people who are lazy. Some people, they tell them we don't want to achieve anything. We don't want to update ourselves. So they can get inspiration from Geeta madam. Yes. Okay, so this was a call from Tamil Nadu, and she knows our most of speakers. I was surprised because she has been watching our program for many days.
Yes. That's why
Yes,
she is.
so
We are
if she
also
will
very
watch
thankful to her, sir.
Yes, sir. I want to say that if she will watch that video, then I want to say her thank you.
Yeah, definitely she is going to watch your video because she told me everything about program, even small thing. She was also telling me about the Nageshwar Rao. Yeah, actually she knows everybody on our platform. Okay, so let's start our conversation now, personal conversation. And I am really sorry, Zoom user. I actually gave you a
Excuse me,
chance.
sir.
Yeah.
I think she is our shadow.
Yeah. Okay. So shall we start our conversation now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I have invited Deepu Singh. So Deepu Singh, you can open your camera now because you have to speak a lot.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
My
So you
pleasure,
can
sir.
see a very handsome and fit person on screen. And I think you all know his name, Deepu Singh. So Deepu Singh, where are you
Hello,
from?
everybody. How are you
Basically.
all? Yeah. One minute. What's your sir?
Deepu
Yeah,
Singh,
sir.
where
Am I
are you
audible,
from
sir?
basically?
Sir, I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, but I'm settled in Bombay.
Oh, that's good, man. Wonderful. Means you are from the place of our great captain MS Dhoni's place.
Dhoni. Correct, sir. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, your Ranchi is full of talent, I think.
Actually, sir, if you talk about dancing, singing, and also acting and all, so the Ranchi is very small city, sir. But we have so much talent here. Yeah.
So when did you leave Ranchi to come to Mumbai?
Sir, it's been more than 10 years, sir.
So you have been living in Mumbai more than 10 years.
Yes, sir.
So when did you decide and why did you decide to go to Mumbai?
Sir, actually, I'm a dancer. Now I started doing choreographing and all, and I love my dancing. And when I started dancing here only at Ranchi only, I started dancing, learning everything, and I got opportunity to. Actually, I was selected in TV show. That was Dance Premier League. It has been released in Sony TV. The Rani Mukherjee and Shamak Dawar was the judge. So I was a single person who has been selected from our city, Jharkhand. So that time I was very famous in my city. So that time only I went there, and after that, after getting over this show, again I got the another show. That was a Saroj Khan show, and that time only I have met Saroj Khan Master Ji, and that in that reality show I was finalist. So my journey started like this only. Yeah.
So
So
how
from
is your
that time only, yeah.
how is your experience in Mumbai? Because a Ranchi
Sir,
person
experience.
decided to go to Mumbai and yeah.
Correct. Correct. Sir, see, actually, what now, sir? When I gone first time there, so it was very difficult to prove myself because I belong from the very small city and all. And the Mumbai is actually a very big city and all. But one thing I have learned in this journey, if you are a hard work, if you are a hard work, so you can change your you can change your uh, uh,
Destiny.
Destiny.
destiny, sir. Yeah, correct. So
Yeah.
I was getting the word. So if you are a hard work, so hard work makes you success, sir. Successful person. So hard work. So continuously. I was trying to prove myself, and then when I got the opportunity to perform in Sony TV, so I have got very good fans over there, good contestants. But the competition was very tough. So after that, my journey has started there only, and just after that, continuously I was, I just till yet only I'm just getting the opportunity and all. But 2 days before, 3 days before only, my master ji has passed away. I think you all must have known this news. I think Saroj Master passed
Yeah.
away.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yeah.
actually, it is very shocking news for
Yeah,
me
it's
and
shocking.
my, yeah. So it is really very bad whatever happened.
Okay. And now, how do you prepare yourself to achieve your goal?
So like my thing. Uh, I have been in this field. It's been dancing. So I am doing since 10 years. Now I moved to yoga field, fitness, and like I teach. My brother is very good yoga teacher, and he works in Vietnam country, and he has been working there since 6 years. So he teaches me so many things. So watching him, and I have learned so many things. So just I started also teaching yoga and all, but dancing, my it's like Bombay. I have to be established there only. Now I started actually. I'm the member of choreographer association. So I started choreographing also. So I do my work in movie also. So many movie I have choreographed already with Masterji also. And now I have to be uh, I'm trying, sir. Actually, my journey is very tough. I can't tell you now only. So many things coming in my mind because suddenly you have asked me. There is lots of things to tell. So it's very difficult. It's very difficult. Whatever I have faced and whatever I have learned. So yeah.
Okay. So one more question I want to ask you. Okay, you are
Yes, sir.
basically a dancer. Then why have you decided to go to the yoga field?
Sir, nowadays yoga, no. Now, see, like as I told you, my brother is yoga teacher, and I can see the benefit of yoga. And yoga is really very good thing, sir, for not for others, for yourself, to control your mind, to understand yourself, to what you are. And yoga is very good exercise, sir, to be fit, to be smart, and there is lots of benefits, sir. So I did not move from the dancing. I am doing dancing, but sir, I'm very happy to tell you one thing. You will be also very happy to hear it. When the lockdown started from the March 24th, from that day till today, I did not miss a single day which I did not do my practice. Every day I do my yoga. Every day I do my fitness workout, and every day I do. So there are lots of benefits, sir, from the yoga. So that's why I'm doing, and I just accepted it, and I'm continue. I'm doing this. I just love the yoga.
Okay, that's good. And last question: why
Yes, sir.
did you decided to come? Why did you decide to come on this platform? Because you are from Bombay,
Very good
everybody
question.
speaks in English there.
Correct. Correct, sir. You're right. See, sir, as I told you, sir, I belong from very small city, and my when I have grown up, my family, my house, there is no environment is very important. But I was not getting environment. But when I used to see the people, everyone here also, everyone is speaking this, and I'm the teacher here. I'm the choreographer. So every time I face this, because my industry is for English first, sir. English is very common. If you're teaching anything, if you're on a set, if you're teaching that artist anything, so everyone like I would say English is like halwa, sir, and they speak very fluently, and yeah, and but when I tease them and when I meet them, so I feel, Deepu, if you make it this thing stronger, bro, no one can touch you. So just, sir, I just started before 6 months, 8 months, I think, and I was watching the YouTube only, and I got your video, and I today only I have got the chance to tell you about you, sir, and when I when I just clicked your channel, sir, so your skills, sir, like the way you teach, it was so familiar, sir. I was so touched, like your sentence, your face, your smile face, or like you're talking to the people. I thought, wow, yeah. But first thing only, I said, wow.
Thank you.
I said, wow. And from that day, sir, immediately I have messaged you, because I didn't have anything to mail anything. Hey, I messaged you in the YouTube. Sir, if you anything, the number you tell me, but you have replied after so many days. So, but continuously I was messaging you. So, and when I started, I don't know how I got your video first, but when I started watching your video, then continuously, sir, till today, every day I watch your video.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Your sentences, your teaching skills, it comes to very close to, because but I can feel, yes, he's the man. He can teach us. He can he can understand our feeling. And guys, so just I have decided, and I placed, just go ahead, and because of that only I have come here. And everyone, I just want to tell you that who is here only, you guys, you are in very good hand. And Prakash sir, I salute you. And
Thank
really,
you.
you have made this platform really very good, and I respect you a lot.
Thank
Because
you.
actually, you did really fabulous job.
Okay.
So like,
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you very much, Deepu Singh, for joining us and
thank you so
practicing
much.
your English. And we hope your future will be bright. And we will
Thank
see
you so
you
much,
on
man.
your big screen one day. And we will say we know this person who is performing on the big screen. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
now,
Thank you
Ashok
so much.
Maurya, you can ask some questions to Sheikh Akhtar.
I have some questions to
Yeah.
Deepu sir. May I?
Yeah, definitely you can ask them.
Okay. So, hi, this is Shaikh Akhtar. So my first question is that, can you please tell me your educational background? And second question is that, how did you came in this field from such a
I did
small
not get it. Can you
town?
repeat your question, please?
So first question is that, what's your educational background? And second thing is that, how did you came into this field? Because it is a little bit different
How
for
can
all
you
those
improve in
who
this field?
no. Actually, how did you get into this field? How do you came in
Okay,
this
yeah.
field?
How do I get into this field? Okay. Actually, I did my graduation, and when I was in 10th, from that time only I have started. Uh, I I went dance class. So many person they're dancing also there, and I got the idea here only. And I looked them, when I saw them, they were enjoying. They were enjoying while dancing. They are teaching. They are learning, and something happened in my heart. And I said, ki, wow, yeah, this is the life. Enjoy life like this. Then I started learning dance, and that time only I have started dancing and all. And just I kept going into this. That after that I did not see back. Just I started learning, and the thing is what now, then I started giving audition also, boogie woogie. So first time I have come in Dance India Dance in season 1. So after that, yeah. So after that, I used to get opportunity, and it was boosting me. I was getting the confidence from this. So because whatever wherever I was going, no, I was getting the good opportunity. Yeah, you select. So I was getting the confidence by doing this. Then this thing also has brought me here only, and till yet only I'm dancing and teaching like that.
Okay. Other question is that if somebody is willing to get into this field, then what would you like to suggest him?
See,
if he is
my
from such a weaker background, who is not from just like the metropolitan cities, who is from
yeah.
from the small cities, so what would you like to suggest him?
See, uh, like I belong from now Bollywood, so I see this. I actually I know very closely about this industry. Industry, I would say, industry is very tough. It's very tough to prove if you don't have the Godfather. I'm telling you, and the same thing is happening nowadays in our industry. Sushant Singh Rajput, Tiger Shroff is also because the Tiger Shroff dad was there, Jackie Shroff. Otherwise, he would not have been there. Hrithik Roshan same. Actually, now and Vijay Jamal also he's in trouble nowadays. You guys, I think you would not know this, but I'm telling you, who has a no Godfather? It's very difficult. It's very difficult to prove yourself. So I would suggest, if you're a very strong person, if you think that you can prove yourself and you can do more hard work, so you come. This is a battlefield. The Bollywood is a battlefield, and it's very difficult. And if you get one success, no, every time it reminds you that it's very difficult to handle. If you get a success, no, after getting success, after that also you have to maintain yourself, and it is very difficult. So whole life, no, is very challenging. Whole life. One time, so if you do job, so you're like a normal person. So if you do job, so chalo, हाँ भाई, whole life I did work, I did hard work, and finally I got the job. So I'm doing the job, and I'm going to get married, and I will have my kids, and I will be settled. But industry is like not that. And if you don't have a godfather, it's very difficult to stay continuously.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So as you told that you were facing the problem of communication in English. So what have you did to overcome on it?
Actually,
Yeah.
I placed myself, Deepu, because na actually when I started facing this kind of problem, no, and see, like I'm the place, like I was in place like an assistant. I was with Saroj Khan and many choreographers in Mumbai, and see, like my personality is like that, no, my hair is like also curly, and if you see my eyes na, is totally brown. So my look, everyone thinks, no, I'm from, like I look like a foreigner type. Frankly, I'm speaking. So everyone comes to me and they start speaking only English only. Are you ask Baba, you ask me, are you able to speak Hindi or English? So and then so everyone comes to me till yet only everyone, because who doesn't know me, and they come to me and they start speaking English only to me. So mostly I feel this way, yaar, and so many times I feel embarrassing. So that time, no, slow, and it was very difficult to learn English because I know my family environment and all, and slow. I just played. I played only one time, only 6 months before only. Say, no, bro, yeah, Deepu, you have to do something. If you have to go up, because this thing it was coming in front of me, because sometimes, that time I have learned this thing, Deepu, this is the command. If you know the English and if you speaking very good English, So bro, means you are the one. No one can touch you, and it was coming in front of me. Something, and you can stand everywhere. You will not get scared by anything. So this is the command, and this is the international language. So this is the very big and very strong power. This is the only language. Prakasa also says always, right? See, this is the not a subject. It's the only language. But this language, bro, I'm telling you, this language is very important, very mandatory this time. So I'm just so much into this thing.
Okay, that's all from my side. So anybody is willing to ask the question, they may. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
That's good. Wonderful questions asked by Sheikh Akhtar, and successfully he has answered, and he has just shared his experience, and he also tried to tell us what is the importance of English in Mumbai. If you want to survive yourself, if you really want to survive in this field, then English is much necessary. Yeah.
Correct.
So now, Shanta madam, you can ask some questions to anybody now. Turn on your audio. Your audio is off, madam. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Prakash, sir?
I want to ask Mr.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you. No problem. Go ahead.
Yeah, madam.
Okay, I want to ask Mr. Akhtar. Previously spoke one boy, sir. What is his name, sir?
Sheikh Akhtar.
Sheikh Akhtar.
Sheikh Akhtar. Sheikh Akhtar. Sir, you are preparing for UPSC.
Yeah.
UPSC. How many times you wrote that exam, sir? This is the first time, or?
First of all, don't tell me, sir. I'm a student. I'm as like your son. Okay. And other thing is that this would be my first attempt, but it was the schedule. Prelims exam was going to schedule on 31st May, but just because of the lockdown, it has been rescheduled for next 3 months. It is going to held in 8th of October. So this would be my first attempt. Actually.
Okay. I want to ask you one more question. That is, which subjects you have taken as your optional, sir?
So yeah,
Optional.
I've taken public administration as optional. Actually,
Why,
my
sir?
background is engineering, but the thing is that when I gone through the syllabus of mechanical engineering, I found somehow difficult for me. So as compared to the public administration, so that's why, because I did MA in public administration from IGNOU. So I find somehow more easier in public administration. That is why I've chosen optional as a public administration. And apart from that, there are some benefits of public administration because you have to attend at least 5 to 6 subjects of humanities, and that is somehow related to the public administration, just like political science or the and economics and something like that. So we found somehow similar with that. That's why I chosen it.
Anybody suggested you to take the that option?
Actually, yeah. So I directly didn't told me any person that you should choose a public administration. It's depend upon your will, that in what subject or in which field you are more interested. Because as I have told previously to Prakasha, that actually it needs lots of consistency and lots of motivation. And if you are not interested in that particular subject, you can't last for the very long time. And I found somehow more easier. That's why I've chosen this.
Are you writing in your mother tongue or in English, sir? In English.
I'm willing to write in English. That's why I'm working hard to work on it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, madam. We have 4 minutes, and you can ask question anybody.
Now also, sir.
Yeah. Everything is in your hand.
because I am using mobile phone, sir. That's why I am not. Nobody is appearing except you.
Okay, so Papya is here.
Okay, I will ask Deepu Singh.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Have you faced any discrimination in the cine field because you came from Bihar without godfather?
Not Bihar, Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Wonderful
Jharkhand.
question.
Yeah.
But question is so nice.
Yeah.
Jharkhand is a part.
Yeah, part of
Actually, I'm
Bihar,
also
but it's
from
been
Bihar.
okay. Yes, madam. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I am hearing.
Yes, madam. Very good question. Actually, I have faced this because now Mumbai people is what every time you have to prove yourself till eternity. You have to prove, and if you see like Bihar and Jharkhand, so like they make so much fun of us. I'm telling you. But now in 10 years, I have made so many respect. I have earned so many respect now. But starting time, so they were like Jharkhand, Bihar, like that. So I have seen so many discriminations. I have faced this.
Sir, I think I have seen you somewhere in Mumbai. Have you ever seen me in Lucky Hotel? Bandra.
I don't Bandra. I always go Bandra and all, but I don't remember, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The Deepu Singh surprise. How do you know me? Okay.
In the year 2018, I went there, sir. I am thinking I saw him
Maybe
in that hotel.
Maybe, ma'am, you would have seen. I am very famous in Andheri Bandra.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir, Prakash sir.
Okay, so really thank you very much, madam, asking some questions to everybody, and thank you very much for joining this show. And again, I want to say, this is the end of our season 1. After 4 days, then we will have a rest. We will have a break for 15 days, and we will be back again in the season 2 with new speakers. You also can join, okay? Not all new. We are the family members, and we will invite some new.
Prakash sir, can I say one thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, Prakash sir, see, we are in the last process. So I just want to mention you, sir, you are doing really very good job, sir. Actually, you are doing God job. So, and whatever you have made this platform, really, I appreciate it. I respect you from my heart. And because actually, sir, like my type of person, it's very difficult to speak English, and because of the poor family background, and actually it matters the background and all actually, and so it matters, and whatever you have done it for us, na sir, it's really respect to me. So sir, just I wanted to say this, sir. I'm saying from my mouth, sir. I'm saying from my heart.
Thank you.
So God will bless you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Really. Okay, God always helped me, and I want to tell you, really, God always helps me, and I never have any excuse for God. God always give me more than I want. That's why I want to help other people, and we all are suffering from English. Then just we can solve this problem by talking, by communicating here. So what we are doing here, okay, I'm not telling you I'm going to stop doing this activity. Just I want 15 days off, because I want to design again this